Mom is up here snoring. You know we gotta get her part 5 or 30 or whatever. I'm fucked up. I'm in the whiskey